Ready to transform your living room into the ultimate anime viewing haven? First things first, let's make sure Crunchyroll is actually on your Samsung TV. Head over to your Samsung Smart TV's home screen. Notice anything missing. If you don't see the Crunchyroll app already installed, don't worry, we'll get it there. Navigate to the Apps section, usually represented by an icon that looks like a shopping bag or a plus sign. Open it up and use the search bar €. It's usually found at the top of the screen. Type in Crunchyroll using the on-screen keyboard. Hopefully, Crunchyroll should pop right up in the search results. Select the Crunchyroll app and then click the install button. It'll download and install automatically. The download time depends on your internet speed, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, return to your Samsung Smart TV's home screen. You should now see the Crunchyroll app icon amongst your other apps. Use your remote to highlight and select the Crunchyroll icon. The Crunchyroll app will launch, and you'll be greeted with the login screen. Enter your Crunchyroll account credentials, €. That's your email or username and your password if you don't have an account yet. You can create one directly on the Crunchyroll website or through the app if it gives you that option. And just like that, you're in. Browse through the vast library of anime, select your favorite series, and start streaming. Happy watching! Now go forth and immerse yourself in the world of anime. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what you're binging right now.